passion in life is to live out my life as much as I possibly can and to have the best possible life. Part of my passion in life is music, and it definitely has impacted other people because without my passion for music, I wouldn't have met the people that I know now. As my passion has impacted my life, I've definitely been able to meet some people that have been able to motivate me to get better at what I do. And being able to get better at what I do is getting me better at what I can possibly be.
My name is Joe Kilsheimer. I'm the mayor of Waukesha, and my passion is for serving others. I think you have to start your whole philosophy with serving others because if you focus on what you can get for yourself, what you can achieve for yourself, you're going to wind up falling short. But if you keep your focus on serving others, it's going to make your life that much more fulfilling and that much more productive.
My name is Jacob. My passion is music. Music has impacted my life because it's everything out of the world of history. If I had one thing to say about music or band, I'd say it helps me have more things to do.
My name is Bradley, and my passions are basic art. I want to say, don't do something just because it's not normal or people make fun of you for doing it. Do it to make you happy and be good. These have impacted my life because now I have a great group of friends, and there's nothing I'd rather spend my time doing. I can pass this on to other people by making them feel something when I perform.